I'm Romy and I live in Cardiff, so I'm very excited about the Festival of Voice. We've done sessions like this in a few festivals, Dyma, the Hay Winter Weekend, and I'm looking forward to talking in Cardiff, to meeting people in the Festival of Voice. I'm a writer, a novelist, and I've been teaching with the Open University for 10 years now. Goodness, 10 years. So that's a lot of writers I've seen go through on our creative writing modules.
Lovely. Could you tell us a little bit about the workshop and what people who attend may be expecting?
So I think it'll be good for people who are interested in writing autobiography or fiction, and we'll look at the space in between that. So perhaps at the nature of memory. Memories are stories already, so there's fictionalization in there already. So we tell memories, we experience memories in different ways. So perhaps writing is a way of taking ownership of your own narrative and expressing how something was for you. I think it'll be good for people who want to write therapeutically, want to write privately, scribble, and for people who want to make the transition to writing that communicates with a reader as well.
Lovely. And do you feel that it can be for all age ranges and all sorts of capabilities in terms of, is it for people who maybe have never written anything before, or is it for people
Yes,
who
I think it could work for young people and adults who maybe they're already writers and they want to these sessions are good for all of us as writers. They get us going, they get us scribbling again and give us another way in. And similarly for somebody who wants to have a go, dip their toe in the water, there'll be opportunities to do some writing, some exercises, but if you want to sit there in silence and ignore us all, that's fine too. And if you just sit and scribble, I'll know I've done my job. So yeah, opportunities to join in, but also no compulsion. Nobody's going to have to read out what they write or anything like that. There'll be a talk, there'll be things to think about, there'll be some exercises to do.